Creative writing skills are of the greatest importance for encouraging critical thinking and creativity in your child. It enables children to convey their thoughts and viewpoints effectively. However, if you are wondering how to develop these skills in your kids, just take the practical steps. It is not that challenging to acquire. Creative writing is original. It has a direct connection from one's observations, experiences, and imagination. You can easily motivate your child for creative writing. Here are very simple and effective tips to improve the creative writing skills. Number 1. Set daily reading routine. It is a major key point for enhancing creative writing skills in your kids. Help your kid develop a daily reading habit. You can start by providing storybooks that will make them familiar with a lot of new terms. In addition, by reading a book regularly, a kid will get a clear idea about different writing styles, ideas, grammar, and sentence formats. It will build up a capability to understand any information more clearly. Parents and teachers should also read their children every day. Number 2. Encourage oral communication. Oral communication is best as it develops confidence in the child. That will help to creatively enhance their writing skills. Ask your child about their day in school. Parents and teachers need to pay attention to the good verbal fluency of the kids and whether they are describing accurately. Additionally, make a habit of teaching new words daily to the students and instruct them to revise them regularly. Furthermore, it will be most useful to ask those terms while having a normal conversation. Thus, it will help them to memorize those words forever. Number 3. Practicing storytelling. Guiding your child to practice storytelling is the most useful way to boost imagination ability. Writing fictional stories can uplift their vision and imagination skills. Tell them to explain their ideas and opinions freely. Number 4. Play fun games. These days, children learn more quickly while playing. They get full of enthusiasm while playing the games, which develops a wish to win in every possible way. This desire to achieve victory will boost their inspiration to learn more words, which builds up vocabulary skills. In addition, introduce some story prompts in which students should be provided with the pictures of places or any character, then tell them to write few lines about it. Number 5. Encourage journal or diary writing. Encourage students for simple journal writing. It is a useful practice to enhance the children's creative writing skills. Teachers and parents can ask the children to pen down about their school's trips. It will be best to describe the location, scenery, weather, entertaining activities they did on their tour. In addition, kids who have their first time flight experience can also write regarding it. Further, they can express how well their holidays went. More than this, writing about daily routines can be helpful as children can describe how their whole day went. Number 6. Tell to write impactful words. To develop effective writing skills, use impactful words for defining the composition, journals, letters, and etc. It engages the reader's attention. For instance, children can be asked to write about their favorite character. Already knowing everything about their role model can help the child to describe the character efficiently. Make Make sure to tell the children to use impressive words to describe their heroes. Ask them to write how hard work they did and whom they were inspired to. Number 7. Advice to level up their writing. Teach your students to set a goal each day. For instance, today they will write 50 words and next day they will write 100 words. In addition, tell children to repeat the same practice every day. Not only will it enhance their writing, but also the speed of writing efficiently. Moreover, help them stay motivated while writing, as it will uplift their confidence to reach their goals. Number 8. Create a comfortable writing space. Creating a comfortable space for kids increases their excitement to write more enjoyably. Add a fancy chair, table, and stationery on the desk. Ensure no distracting things in study space, such as their favorite game, TV, etc. The right study resources in a kid's workplace will surely encourage their creativity. Hope these suggestive ideas will help you in developing your child's creative writing. Try these helpful tips and share your child's piece of writing in the comment box. Thank you.